Hello traders, good day to you all. This is Christopher Glen. Today it is the 16th of July 2014. This is a day market review for the current market status. Yesterday we've had a lot of announcements regarding several markets. We'll begin with talking about the CPI report regarding the pound at 9:30 yesterday. We received good indication for and that supported the stronger pound in the market. We can say that after that we've received several bad announcements regarding the euro, while the Bank of England still brought some confidence on behalf of the pound, and still the dollar, while it lost some strength in terms of announcements, still it gained strength in the market out of Chairman Yellen testifies, and obviously the weakness on behalf of the euro and the pound and the Swiss franc, sorry, the euro and the Swiss franc. So we saw a very distinguished strength of the dollar yesterday in the markets. Late at night, the CPI report regarding New Zealand was very bad for the New Zealand dollar. We saw that the New Zealand lost a lot of strength in the market, and we can say that at the moment the Australian dollar, the New Zealand, the Canadian dollar, the euro, and the Swiss franc are weak. The strong currencies in the market are the dollar and the pound. Right now, we're approaching several announcements regarding the pound, the average earning index, the climate change, count change, and unemployment rate in England, and that will definitely change the curse of the pound in the market. We will talk about the dollar versus the pound in a second. After that, at 1:30, we've got an announcement regarding the Canadian dollar, the manufacturing sales, another announcement regarding the US dollar, the PPI report, and after that, at 3 o'clock, we've got several announcements regarding the Canadian dollar, Bank of Canada testimonies, overnight rates, and again another testimony from Yellen regarding the monetary policy in the federal bank in the United States. At 4:15, we will receive another announcement regarding the Bank of Canada press conference. That will change the course of the Canadian dollar. So today, the currencies that I'm expecting to see change on the pound and the Canadian dollar. I do expect the dollar to gain more strength in the market. I'm expecting the pound to lose strength in the market, and I'm expecting the Canadian dollar to gain some strength as well. That is my expectation according to the charts. Let's go to the chart and see what is the image right now. So we can definitely see that the New Zealand lost a lot of strength in front of the Japanese yen, the Swiss franc, and the euro as well. We can say that the pound and the dollar are still gaining strength in front of the Japanese yen, indicating that they are the strongest currencies in the market. Going to commodities, I've been talking about the gold losing strength for several days. We see this clean and smooth downtrend movement very nicely on the silver and on the gold. We can see this downtrend movement, very liquidized downtrend movement on the gold. I've been talking about this potential for several days, and we can see the image reflected through the charts at the moment. Let's go to the dollar index. I've been talking about an uptrend, a strong liquidized dollar in the markets, and indeed we've received this smooth uptrend movement. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that for the past 2 weeks we've received a very nice uptrend movement. Again, I said that I'm pretty worried about this structure because it may be an A, a B, and a C structure, implying that we will see a dollar dropping down. But at the moment, my first assumption is that we will see an uptrend movement on behalf of the dollar in the markets. When I'm analyzing several other assets of the dollar in front of other currencies such as the Russian ruble, the Turkish, and the South African rand, I said that the Turkish will fluctuate, the South African rand will fluctuate, and the Russian ruble will lose strength in front of the dollar, and that's indeed the image that we can see over here. Looking at the larger aspect, the daily chart of the Russian ruble, we can see that we've got a bit of potential to see a bit more uptrend toward the 34.8 approximately rate, an uptrend movement on this currency, but I can't see the market moving forward into a higher rate as confident as I would like it to. Beside that, the pound still gaining strength. We can see the strong liquidized pound in front of the Swiss franc. And I said that I want to talk about the pound versus the US dollar because it will dictate who's going to gain strength in the market and who's going to leave the aspect of strong currencies in the market. Let's look at the larger time frame. Over here, we can see that this is indeed a potential of an uptrend movement, the structure itself, the corrective pattern dropping down toward the bound rate, and then an uptrend potential. Stochastic giving us a cross at the bottom, RSI showing us an indication of an uptrend movement. No question about that. The potential over here is for the pound to gain more strength in front of the dollar, and besides, because the pound and the dollar are the strongest currencies, that I will still look for a stronger dollar and pound in the market. But again, today I'm expecting the pound to lose some strength in the market, joining the Swiss franc and the euro in terms of weakness. I wish you all the best with your trades. Have a pleasant day and bye bye.